It's game time. It's game time. It's game day, baby. We are supporting San Antonio all the way from New York. If you're in San Antonio, stop by Early Bird to get a cookie butter latte. Someone commented and was like, wait, I didn't know you could buy their syrups. Not to toot my own horn, but you can't, okay? Just noticed they literally wrote Anissa, here you go, with the Spurs logo. She's so fucking good. I'm so excited. It's actually probably one of the worst things that have ever happened to me is having to share this. But I'm also such a good person. Don't ever call me a bad friend, okay? I'm sharing my cookie butter. My time to shine.
Let's get some water. Get some water. Some water.
I just have to tinkle back. It's so fucking good. Whatever they're doing there, never stop, okay?